We live on a magnificent planet that provides us with air, water, food and energy, all that is needed for life to flourish. Yet vast areas of the planet's land surface have been deforested or degraded. Meanwhile, we struggle to reduce our impact on the climate, and many people are in desperate need of food, water, and decent productive livelihoods. The Global Partnership on Forest and Landscape Restoration has estimated there are more than 2 billion hectares worldwide where the potential for restoration is high. In 2011, the Bonn Challenge set a target of 150 million hectares of degraded and deforested lands to be restored by 2020. This is good news for communities and enterprises around the world that need the goods, services, and other benefits that these restored hectares can provide. Sustainable land use and restoration of landscapes can provide nutrition, improve food security, stimulate local enterprise, reduce poverty, and increase flows of water so that sustainable agriculture becomes possible. And at the same time, it increases habitat for wildlife and reduces human impact on climate change. Landscape restoration and management offers an opportunity for economic growth for local communities and for the world, and it can also continuously improve the land's ecological function. There are opportunities to turn degraded areas into healthy, fertile, working landscapes all over the world. Together, we can revitalize and transform the Earth's vast, degraded and deforested places to meet the needs of people and the natural world now and into the future.